Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use USB file transfer. First, connect your mobile device to your computer using a compatible USB cable. Make sure the cable is firmly inserted into both the phone's charging port and an available USB port on your computer. Your computer should then automatically detect the device, often displaying a notification or an icon in the system tray. This initial connection is crucial for establishing communication between the two devices. Once connected, you'll need to enable file transfer mode on your mobile device. Swipe down from the top of your phone's screen to access the notification panel. Look for a notification related to the USB connection, which might say USB charging or tap for more options. Tap this notification and then choose File Transfer or Media Transfer Protocol, often abbreviated as MTP. This step grants your computer permission to access your device's storage. With File Transfer enabled, you can now access your device's files from your computer. Open this PC or My Computer on your Windows desktop or Finder on a Mac. You should see your mobile device listed as a portable device or drive. Double-click on its icon to open it. You'll typically find folders like DSIM for photos, downloads, and other directories containing your device's data. Transferring files is straightforward. You can simply drag and drop files or folders from your computer into your device's folders, or vice versa. Alternatively, use the classic copy and paste method by right-clicking on a file and selecting the appropriate option. Once you've finished transferring all your desired files, it's good practice to safely eject your device from your computer before physically disconnecting the USB cable. This prevents potential data corruption.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.